style, no? Or you want to just fry it? No, just fry it. Or right here. But we're gonna get some chicken. Look at all the dry fish. All the dry fish. Look at all the dry fish and stuff. Alright, so we're gonna buy some chicken over here. Just have kilo number. I don't know why my thing is. Oh, this one is okay. Yeah, let's just get the rice and let's get the no this way. So yeah, over here we got the dry fish. I don't know why my signal's tripping. I'm supposed to have good signal when I'm over here, but yeah. Anyways, this is a market. We're getting a couple things and we're just going home. What are you doing?
Can I buy this or this?
Yeah. I thought you said. Okay. Alright, well, she's gonna buy some dried fish. So, I guess here we come. I got some chicken right here. Look at the dried fish and stuff. And, just whatever. This one's 80 pesos right here. This one's 80. This one is 70. And then from there, we're just gonna head home. We're gonna head home. We're gonna start cooking, guys. You know, I'm pretty hungry, so it's just a. The wifey feels sick, so she woke up late. But here we are. Where is she? Oh. Well, okay, she got it over here. Time to go. Okay, let's go. So we got the dry fish. Ta-da! We're gonna get what? So, yeah, about to go. Oh, we're gonna go buy rice, white rice. Voila, white rice. So, get some rice. Gonna get some rice, and then that's it. So, just a little short live from the market. Nothing more, nothing less. Estamos comprando unas verduras. Bueno, compramos verduras, pescado seco. Y ahorita vamos a comprar un arroz y ya. De aquí nomás lo compramos y ya los vamos, guys. So aquí vamos, aquí vamos. Mira este carrito. Está chingón. The little tricycle. You're gonna have to buy.
How many kilos?
Well, now you don't have enough, no? Just buy 3 or whatever. We'll buy some eggs. Let's just go. Just get the white one. Get some rice. Well.